Last week you had a sweep of Loris where you tied the school record with 9 stolen bases, and you played BV on Saturday. If you could take us back to the highlights of those games.
Sure. Loris was a lot of fun for us. So before we warmed up, we made some pretty lofty goals for ourselves, and we actually got off to a slow start, but then they started to attack and focus on the goals, and we were actually able to achieve most of them. So that was a lot of fun. It was a lot of stolen bases, very aggressive on the base paths, aggressive in the batter's box. We got a lot of 2-out hits that were key for us, and then our defense, I think because our offense was doing so well, was able to stay calm in pressure situations. BV, they were able to take advantage of some of our mistakes early on in game 1. And then we had some missed opportunities on the offensive side early in the game as well. So game 1 was a pretty tough loss for us, but we're looking to bounce back here this weekend.
You traveled to Coe Saturday and UW Stout Sunday. What do you know about those opponents?
They're both going to be tough opponents. Coe's been solid all year. They've got solid offense, really good pitching, and solid defense. So we know that they're going to be tough. And then Stout is in a great conference, and they, at that point, I think will have played 8 conference games. So they're playing some good competition as well. So tough competition this weekend, but we're looking forward to it.
Good luck.
Thanks.